As soon as you try to create a Gmail account, you get stuck with verify your phone number page. But what if I told you that you can create 5, 10, even unlimited Gmail accounts without phone number verification, and that too with a brand new 2025 method? In today's video, I'll show you step by step a trick that's 100% working. So be sure to watch until the end. If you skip even one step, the method might fail. So my dear friends, first of all you need to open the Gmail app. When you are in your profile, tap on the Add Another Account option because Add Another Account lets you sign in with an additional Google account inside Gmail, enabling quick switching, separate inboxes, and easier management of multiple emails in one place. Now friends, Google will give you multiple options, but here you need to go to Google. Now friends, on this sign-in page, you have to select the Create Account option. Now friends, here Google will give you two options. One is for my personal use. This creates a Google account for individual needs, offering private email, device syncing, personalized settings, secure login, and access to important features. The second is for work or my business. This creates a Google account suited for professional use, enabling team management, business email, shared access, administrative controls, enhanced security, and workplace collaboration tools. So friends, here you need to select for my personal use. Now friends, on this page, enter your first name and surname, then tap Next. Next, in this section, enter your birthday and gender, then tap Next. Now friends, let you select or create a unique email username for your Google account, ensuring personal identity, availability, security, and easy communication. Then friends, you have to tap Next. Now create a strong password guides you to set a secure login using long, unique characters, avoiding personal info, mixing symbols, and protecting your Gmail account from unauthorized access. Then you need to tap on Next. Then Google will take you to this page. If instead of this page, the phone number verification page opens, I will give the solution later. For now you need to select I agree. When you select I agree, your new Google account will be created. Friends, you can follow these steps to create multiple accounts. If a phone number verification page appears and you cannot create the Gmail account, please mention it in the comments because this video has already become very long. If anyone faces issue, make sure to comment as we reply to every subscribers within 24 hours. Thank you.